What's up, Pyros? Tonight we have this 25 shot Instant Thunder King. I wanted to show you what it looked like with the Chinese wrap on here. This is how it would sit on a shelf somewhere in China. It had the foil top on it. It's got all kinds of Chinese writing on there. So this comes 12-1. This paper was inside out, so this side that you see right here was facing the tubes, and then the brown paper was over it with the foil top. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like and see if anyone else noticed that. This is the one that comes 12-1, no brand. Let's go check it out. Yep, those are amazing little cakes, guys.